morning, guys, on 9 degrees Celsius morning, but windy. Holy crap, the wind is blowing like crazy. I was listening it through the night. It woke me up a couple of times actually. So if I'm gonna be cranky today, I'm so sorry. Blame the wind. But yeah, I'm up. I'm not rested. I'm still tired. I'm sleepy, but I'm awake. And on my way to work. And I was so hoping to see some stars today. Oh well, maybe next time. Well, if the snow is coming, then the stars should stop, right? This nice days should stop sooner or later. And yeah, this is one of the areas when I drive when I see a deer, usually. But for the past couple of days, there were none of them. I did saw one yesterday, but she got scared of the car and she ran away. Oops. Sorry. I'm still waiting for my micro SD card that my brother promised that he ordered for me. God knows when that's coming. Because apparently he was making a list of things that I said that I want, and he ordered this micro SD card for me 2 days before I ordered a GoPro. It's coming from Hong Kong. So it's gonna be here eventually. In the next 2 weeks. Sometimes packages from Hong Kong takes, I don't know, 14 days. Some other days, some other times it takes a month and a half. Let's hope we won't need to wait for a month and a half, right? Because I want to start using it before, and I'm not gonna use this micro SD card that I'm having in this camera. I'm using the adapter as well, because it's 64 giga, and the GoPro camera supports up to 32 giga. I've seen it. I mean, I can take it from my dad's radio. He has like 4 giga. That's not a lot. Even USB keys that I'm looking, you can't find smaller one than 8 giga. That's okay for me, but for someone that doesn't need like a lot, even 4 giga is a lot. So a friend of mine, she's a complete noob in computer stuff, was like, well, I need USB drive to put all my job applications on and my CV and everything. What can I buy? And I was like, well, you need this USB drive, the key, if you want to have it with you all the time, because you never know when you might need anything. And she was like, but where can I buy this? And I told her, and how big should she buy? She called me and I was like, well, how big do they have? She was like, well, 8, 16, 32. And I was like, they don't have 4? She was like, no. And I was like, can you ask the cashier, and she was like, I did, but they said that 80 is the smallest one they are having for the past 6 months. And I was like, really? So yeah, apparently you can't get 4 giga in a couple of stores already. Because they're not big enough, I suppose. Oh well. Sooner or later I'm gonna buy myself 128 giga micro SD card. Or maybe USB drive. Who knows? I'm headed home, and I think I'm gonna go and take a nap, because I have a feeling that something is coming, because I'm not feeling great. Even my coworker noticed that I'm not the usual self, so I'm gonna need a lot of concentration to drive home. In the morning I almost fell asleep, I admit. Almost that happened. Me falling asleep behind the wheel. And that's not good. And those were the cops! Yay! So today, it's a beautiful, sunny, yet windy and fucking freezing day. I mean, if you see the temperature, it's not cold, but it's windy, and that makes it cold. Like shit. Anyway, going back to work, and even though I didn't take a nap when I was at home, I'm feeling a bit more rested than I was in the morning. I took it very easy today. I was at the back of the house drinking water while my mom was drinking cappuccino for about half an hour, and that was exactly what I needed. Just to put my mind away and do nothing, like nothing. All I had to think was, don't drop the glass, don't drop the glass, don't drop the glass. Because of the glass of the water I was holding in my hand. That's the only thing I needed to think at that time. So yeah. And how about you guys? How are you doing? How's the day going for so far? Good? Or you're having problems of your own? Huh? You can write everything in the comments below. I read every comment. Trust me, I do. Some even twice or 3 times. Sometimes. So yeah, let's go to work, shall we? Let's be productive. Oh, today I have the aerobics class, and tomorrow I have nothing planned. Can't wait for tomorrow to come. I just hope that my micro SD card comes tomorrow. If it didn't came today with the mail. So I want to learn how to use that GoPro camera. Actually, I like the idea of filming myself trying to learn how to use that camera, but I will have to bleep like every, or sure, I should rather say I would only leave every 3rd or 4th word in it. So I'm not filming myself doing that. You might learn too much from me. Okay, I'm gonna study it by myself without filming myself. I don't want to embarrass myself in front of the whole YouTube nation. I don't want to be the embarrassment out there. I'm done with work for today, and when I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna change my clothes into my workout clothes. Then I'm gonna sit in the living room and spend some quality time with my family, with my mom and my dad, or whoever there's gonna be there. And when it's gonna be time for me to go to work to a workout, I'm gonna go. And I'm sorry if I don't film on the way to the aerobics class and back, cause I think that you are already sick enough of watching me drive to work and back, to work and back. And yesterday was so much driving. I mean, I've pumped the gas on Monday morning at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I already made 312 kilometers in good 2 days. So yeah, I think that says it everything. Too much of driving for me. No wonder I feel like crap. I probably look like one as well, so I'm sorry that I look like a scarecrow, or maybe a pile of crap. After aerobics class, the only thing I see now is the shower and the bed. And tomorrow I have nothing planned. Like, complete and total nothing planned. So tomorrow I'll probably go to bed at 8 o'clock. Or maybe even sooner. Who knows? So, all fresh and all clean, heading to bed. And before I do that, it's Q&A time. Today's question on November 18th is: what is your dream job of the day? Actually, I already have my dream job. Just the hours could be a little bit more different. But yeah, working with kids is a dream job as well. What is your dream job of the day? Write in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video. For being awesome. You being awesome. And good night.